Hello from the High Scalar team. Welcome to our deep dive into Stable Diffusion XL, the revolutionary AI model by Stability AI. Today, we're exploring how this powerful tool transforms text into stunning high-resolution images. Let's get started. First, ensure you have Python version 3.10 installed. And also check Pip, your package manager. If Pip is not installed, then use this command to install the latest Pip, as it's vital for running Stable Diffusion XL. Now we recommend using a Python virtual environment. To set up a virtual environment, we use this command. Now this will set up and activate virtual environments. Now let's install the required packages by using this command. Now all required packages are installed. Let's do our initial code setup. Now we need to create a main.py file where we write our business logic. Let's copy-paste the following code snippet. Now run this using this command. Once you run that command, you get a URL. So open that URL, and see it gives a Gradio interface, where we give our prompt. Let's give a prompt and wait. It's processing. So our image is here. Now let's try with the new prompt. Boom, new image generated. Let's try for multiple image outputs at once. So for that, we need to tweak our code a bit. So let's use this code snippet. Now rerun the main.py and enter the prompt. Now it's generating multiple images. Let's enhance these images a bit more. So for that, we are going to use a Stable Diffusion refiner with a base model. So let's use this code snippet and rerun the main.py. Now we give the same prompt as previously used and wait. So now it's processed 2 times, first with base and then with refiner. Boom, see the results. Let's try with another command. Awesome. So Stable Diffusion XL opens new horizons in AI-driven image generation. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more insights into AI technology. Join us in exploring the forefront of AI innovations. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!